Crypto trading is like a roller coaster where the price goes suddenly go up and go down. The wild swing, the constant stress make you overwhelming in these trading cryptocurrencies. What if I told you they got a way to trade cryptocurrency but an easy mode? No more endless hurts on research and sleepless night checking the charts. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps to grow cryptocurrency portfolio without breaking a sweat. So first one is dollar cost averaging, the second one is staking, and the last one will be the copy trading. Ready to turn your crypto journey easy way? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about dollar cost averaging, so-called DCA. This strategy is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to have time or energy to track price every day. You can invest a fixed amount of money into cryptos or regular intervals. For example, let's say you pay $100 a week. No matter what the price is doing, whether your prices go up or go down sideways, you'll keep buying it. Over time, you'll be spreading over your risk. So here's the kicker. You're automatically buying more when the price are low and less when the price are high. For example, if the Bitcoin hits at 90k this week and 80k next week, you're getting a better average price to sticking the plan. And it is stress-free long-term strategies that will work most of the stressful investors. So next up is about staking. So think of staking is like putting cryptocurrency to work while you sit back and relax. When you stake your cryptocurrency, you lock it into a network to support things like transactions or validations or security. In returns, you will earn passive income in the forms of more tokens. You will getting interest on the saving account asset for higher returns. Let's say you are holding Ethereum, alright? By staking it, you can earn a nicely yearly returns of anywhere from 4% to 10% depending on the platform or the coins. The best part is, it is super easy to get started. There are tons of staking platforms to make it simple to lock your coins up and start earning right away. I personally recommend you using trusted platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or even BYBIT. If you are holding coins for long terms, why not you just making them to work for you? Staking is an easy way to generate passive income while you just sit back and watch your portfolio gains. Plus, it is a low maintenance one setup. In my DCA video, I've shown that you can actually 3x when you start DCA in your bear market, and you can actually have a drawdown of 0.14. If you are interested to know more about DCA, you can just look it. So after you DCA, you get a lot of coins, right? Using the coins to do staking can additionally get extra profits for you, around 4 to 6%. So analytically, you get 3x for your returns, right, for your DCA, and then you can get another maybe 1x from this staking. Right, so this is how you will actually brainless investment, right, and it's proven to earn a lot of money. The last one method is called copy trading. Now let's talk about copy trading, the ultimate easy way mode hack, where you could trade cryptocurrency just like the top 1% traders look without spending hours to learn charts and technical analysis. With copy trade, you can do just like that. Here's how it works. You find successful trader on platforms, for example, like BYBIT, Binance, or Bitget, or BingX. You can literally copy their trades automatically. This means that when they buy, you'll buy. When they sell, you'll sell. All you have to do is choose the right traders to follow. Don't just follow anyone looking at the traders for a proven track record. Check their risk levels, strategies, and performance over the time. It's like having your personal trading team without all the stress. If you are interested to copy trade, we actually have Copy Trading Pro running in the BYBIT. It is proven that it has an annualized returns of 80% and has a Sharpe ratio of 3. So if you are interested about how you actually get started with my Trading Pro, you can actually go to the Discord and you can just sign up using my affiliate link. If you sign up using my affiliate link, you can straight away access to the Copy Pro trading that is proven works. Alright, so this actually Copy Pro trading has a asset under management of also called AUM of $2 million. Means that $2 million actually following these trading strategies or Copy Trading Pro of Tradveller. If you are interested to know more about this analyzed returns of 80%, alright, you can just using my affiliate link to sign up and just share it with you you can find it in your Discord. Alright, so there are things to wrap up. The first one is DCA, where you take guesswork out of investing by buying consistent over time. After you DCA, you got a coin, then you go for staking. This staking allows you to earn passive income by locking up your cryptos and let it grow. The last one is copy trading, allows you to mimic the top traders with zero efforts of your part. All these 3 strategies are perfect for trade crypto in an easy mode without any stress, guessing word, or consistent fears of the big pumps. So if you found this video helpful, please share. And if you want to know more about how actually quant trading works, this is the channels that is know more about quant trading works. There are a lot more video. I can share more strategies, profitable strategies across my channels. You can check across this. It is using Bollinger Band trading strategies. It's earning around 200%. I will see you in next video.